Hey everybody, how's it going? I want to tell you two stories to help you remember the prefixes for numbers. So here we go. Once upon a time, there is a unicorn. Uni means one. There's only one horn on the unicorn. This unicorn loves to ride bicycle. He's always on the bicycle with two wheels because bi means two. One day, Unicorn went down the street to go to the store to buy a trifold for his project. Tri means three because there are three sides, 1, 2, 3 for this poster board. He paid for this trifold with 4 quarters. Quart means 4. A quarter means 1/4 of something. So 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 means $1 whole. While riding his bike home, he was listening to his favorite singing group, Pentatonics. That's my favorites too. There are 5 people in this singing group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because penta means 5. He was riding the bike and listening to music, enjoying it. All of a sudden, he tripped over a hex nut on the street. He didn't know that it's there. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides on this hex nut because hex means 6. He went to the doctor. The doctor said, "No, unicorn, you need to take medicine for your head. You hurt your head. Let me give you 7 days of medicine, a whole week. Here is a box that can help you because this is a heptagon. It has 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can hold all 7 days of medicine in it. Hepta means 7. His best friend Octopus came by to help him cook and clean and took care of him. Because Octopus has 8 arms, he could do a lot of things. Oct means 8. On the day Unicorn felt better, they both went out to the nonagon-shaped courtyard to play. They were playing hide and seek, and Octopus tried to reach into every corner. However, he's always missing one corner because octopus only have 8 tentacles, while nonagon has 9 corners. That's why he's always missing one corner. Non means 9. At night, they look up into the night sky. Unicorn said he saw a shooting star, but Octopus said, "No, I saw a decagon." In fact, they are both correct because dec means 10. A star should have 10 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you enjoyed the story, and if you remember this story, it will help you remember the prefixes for all these different shapes. Here's my second story. This is a true story, by the way. Did you know that long time ago, long time ago, there were only 10 months in the year? January, February, March, April, May, June, September, October, November, and December. Sept means 7 in Latin. Oct means 8. We saw it earlier. Octopus has 8 tentacles. 8 means oct. Nov, if you know Spanish, nueve, start with N. That's 9. And dec, DS, also start with D. That means 10. Well, there are 2 months missing. Did you notice that? So what happened was the Roman would like to honor their emperor, Julius Caesar, and his grandnephew, Augustus Caesar. So they actually added 2 more months to the year. So between June and September, They actually, and to honor them, they named the month after that. So now the 7th month of the year is named after Julius Caesar. It's called July. Oops, sorry. And the 8th month, which is when Augustus Caesar was born, is now called August. So what happened to these months? That's why now September becomes the 9th month of the year. October becomes the 10th month of the year. November is the 11th month of the year. And December is the 12th month of the year. I hope you enjoyed those stories. Bye.